In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect SocialGood to the Coinbase wallet. So the first thing you want to do is open up your SocialGood app, and then you want to go to the very bottom right where it says account. And on here, you want to scroll down until you see connect my wallet. It's going to be this blue text. Tap on that, and from here, select the third option, which is going to be Coinbase Wallet. After you do this, here's your instructions. First, you will have to download the Coinbase Wallet app, so in case you don't have it yet, you can just click on the Google Play button over here, and it will download basically to your phone, so you'll go to Google Play and install it from there. Once you do this, you want to make sure you create an account on Coinbase Wallet, and then create your password, and after you have access to your Coinbase Wallet, then you have to copy and paste this URL over here into your wallet's in-app browser. Now we're going to just copy this, there we go, and then you have to follow the instructions to connect your Coinbase wallet to the SocialGood app. So let me just show you what to do. After you've copied this link, you want to open up your Coinbase wallet. So I have it over here. There we go. You want to open it up. And then at the very bottom, you want to click on the second tab, which is this browser tab. So not on the home screen, but the second one, which is going to be that browser icon. There we go. And then at the very top, it says search or type URL. Simply tap on that and then paste in your URL, and then don't tap on search where there's the Google icon because this will not work. What you have to do is you want to just search it by clicking the button at the bottom right of your keyboard on your basically on your phone. So click on that, there we go. And this is going to start powering up, loading, and then there we go. It says follow these steps to connect your wallet to the SocialGood app securely. First, you want to click on connect wallet address. There we go, and then it's going to show your wallet address, and then it's going to say sign our message. So you will have to sign their message just like this, and then this is basically the signature. You can see message data if you want to, and then you want to press sign, and then you will have to basically unlock your wallet as well to be able to do this. So you want to input your phrase. There we go, and after you do this, it's going to start loading, and you're going to get a green check mark. And after this, you'll have to submit your wallet information to the SocialGood app. So just click on submit. And after you do this, it says you've successfully connected your wallet. Please go back to the SocialGood app. So after this, go to the SocialGood app, and it says wallet connected. Congratulations, you successfully connected your wallet to the SocialGood app. You can press OK, and you can now see your wallet is over here and it's connected. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.